Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to make your iPhone screen stay on longer. You know, it's a bit annoying when you're actively using your iPhone and it suddenly turns off. Well, here are the easy steps to make your iPhone screen stay on longer. First is to unlock your iPhone. Open the Settings app, tap Display and Brightness, choose Auto Lock, choose a longer time like 2, 3, 4, or 5 minutes. Select Never if you don't want the screen to turn off automatically. Exit the settings to save changes. Now turn off Low Power Mode via Settings again, Battery, Power Mode, then turn off Low Power Mode. Increase screen brightness slightly. Disable Reduce Motion via Settings again, Accessibility, Motion, then make sure to disable Reduce Motion. Turn off Attention Aware features via Settings app, Face ID and passcode, then make sure to disable Reduce Motion. Check for screen time restrictions that may limit auto lock. And finally, restart your iPhone if the change don't apply immediately. Tip: setting auto lock to never may drain your battery faster. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.